PDDM is an acronym for the Palmtop display for dexterous manipulation. Combining the PDDM with a large-screen VR system, users can precisely manipulate a remote object rendered in the small portable display as if they were directly holding the object in their hands. The user can get visual and haptic information such as weight, material, and collision with the other objects through the PDDM. The PDDM system consists of a 4-inch LCD, a magnetic position sensor, 2 push buttons, and a mechanical linkage called a force display. The force display is actuated with a frictional drive motor and generates a reaction force to the user through the Palmtop display. The position and orientation of the display are measured with the magnetic sensor, and the user may change operational modes by pressing the buttons in the rear. The PDDM can be operated in an observing phase or a manipulation phase. In the observing phase, the Palmtop display is used as a movable window into a virtual space. By locating the object in the center of the display and pressing a button, the operational mode is changed to the manipulating phase. Here, the user's motion is reflected in the motion of the object directly, as if the user were holding it in their hands. At that time, the user feels the weight and any collisions of the grabbed object as a reaction force. In the task of catching and placing a cube on the wall, the user has to adjust the position and orientation using only visual information, without haptic feedback. In this case, the cube being manipulated slips through the wall. On the other hand, the user can sense the collision of the cube dynamically with haptic feedback, and the manipulated cube never slips through the wall.